Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best commercial ovens for baking cakes in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Cuisinart TOB-60 Air Fryer Toaster Oven. A convection toaster oven combined with an air fryer on top of it. Here we are presenting our next listed model, Cousinart TOB-60. The oven is versatile and durable, including awesome features needed in everyday life to make delicious food. To select one perfect convection toaster is quite confusing and a real hard job when there are lots of brands out there. I think Cuisinart made this task easier for you by launching different modes with unique features, like this model included one top air fryer for convenient fryers. Number 2. Our second best pick is Oster Large Digital Countertop Convection Toaster Oven. Oster is a complete digital convection countertop toaster oven offering you different shades of toasting desired. This 6-slice convection toaster oven is very fast at toasting, even cooking. It has a wide range of temperatures of 150 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The large interior has enough space to keep your meal accurately in place. To check the meal condition, don't worry, there is clear visible interior light. The 2 rack positions of the oven are the perfect place for toast or roasting. It includes a durable baking pan and removable crumb tray, easy for maintenance. Number 3. Our third best pick is BLACK+DECKER Countertop Convection Toaster Oven. At a very budget-friendly point, you can choose BLACK+DECKER CTO6335S is a wonderful choice for any kitchen corner. With a digital one-touch easy control system, it's one of the popular choices of food enthusiasts. The capacity is fine as regular-size pizza 1-2 and sliced toast easily can be made. If you are thinking of having a medium-size oven including all the features generally one chef's oven has, then BLACK+DECKER offers every essential thing you need. The 9 large options: pizza, frozen snacks, bake, toast, bagel, broil, potatoes and cookies. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Breville BOV845 BSS Smart Oven Pro Countertop Convection Oven. Breville is one of the best oven manufacturers in the world. They are very known for kitchen products for their high-quality appliances. When any oven buying idea comes, American people think about Breville at the top-level choice. Why is Breville the first-level choice product? Breville is a full package compacted all in one pack. You will get all the basic and pro functions at a time at the same place, so why not Breville? This model of Breville BOV845 BSS convection oven comes with 10 pro functions that will fully fill all your basic needs in your home. The 10 functions are 6-slice toast, bagel, bake, roast, broil, pizza, cookies, reheat, warm, slow cook. These functions are the complete need of the family. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Hamilton Beach 31123D Easy Reach Toaster Oven. Hamilton Beach 31123D Silver Color New Toaster Oven by Hamilton. The most amazing feature of this oven is that the door moves up and out of your way. You can access food easily through the flexible door. The capacity of the oven is 6 slices toaster of bread, 12 inches pizza or 9 by 11 inches bake pan that is enough for all kinds of oven jobs. There is a 30 minutes timer with auto shut-off for baking, broil, toasting functions and has an optional stay-on setting. The contoured knobs are specially designed for easy grip and turn. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.